What are we learning today?
Learning Toolkit.
Let's learn all about Brachiosaurus. How do you say that again? Brachiosaurus. Do you know how tall a Brachiosaurus was? It was as tall as a semi-trailer truck is long. Do you think Brachiosaurus was heavy? You're right! It weighed as much as 5 elephants. Which animal does Brachiosaurus look similar to? Just like a giraffe, it had a very long neck. It could be up to 9 meters long. That's nearly twice as long as a whole giraffe, just in the neck. Brachiosaurus was a sauropod. Sauropods were a group of dinosaurs that grew to be huge. Other sauropods include Diplodocus and Brontosaurus. Brachiosaurus was a herbivore. That means it was a vegetarian. It ate plants, not meat. Yum! A Brachiosaurus walked on all fours, but sometimes it stood on its back legs to reach really high trees. Brachiosaurus ate a lot of food. Not that food, plants, remember? It ate 400 kilograms of plants every day. That's the same as 4,000 apples every day. The average human only eats 2 kilograms a day. It had lots of teeth, 52 altogether, for grinding up the plants that it ate. Do you know what Brachiosaurus means? It means arm lizard, because its front legs, or arms, were longer than its back legs. Brachiosaurus was found in North America, the same place as T-Rex, but not at the same time. It lived about 150 million years ago, in the mid to late Jurassic period. Jurassic. So Brachiosaurus would have been neighbours with Stegosaurus. So what have we learned? We learned Brachiosaurus was as tall as a semi-trailer truck is long. It was so heavy, it weighed as much as 5 elephants. It was really similar to a giraffe, with a very long neck. But the neck was twice as long as a whole giraffe. It was a sauropod, and it grew to be huge, just like Diplodocus and Brontosaurus. Brachiosaurus was a herbivore. It ate lots of veggies. It sometimes stood on its back legs to reach leaves on really high trees. And it ate lots of food, 400 kilograms every day. It had 52 teeth for grinding up all the plants it ate, and Brachiosaurus means arm lizard because its front legs were longer than its back legs. Brachiosaurus was found in North America, like T-Rex, and it lived about 150 million years ago in the Jurassic period, with Stegosaurus. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating Brachiosaurus. To learn about more dinosaurs, make sure you click subscribe here. And don't forget to leave a comment on what dinosaur you want to see next. To see more, you can also click links at the end of this video. Bye, Brachiosaurus!